using 3 mm crochet hook, and this is a soft acrylic yarn. First I am going to make a slip knot. I am making a circle like this and hold like this. Insert the crochet hook, pull the yarn, leave the thread to make a slip knot. Tighten this knot and you can adjust by pulling thread. See, you can adjust the loop. Now I am going to make a chain. Hold the thread like this. Pull the yarn into the loop. This is chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Like this you can pull the yarn into the loop. Continue the same process to make a chain. I hope you understand the chain pattern. I am moving towards the single crochet now. Now I am going to show you how to single crochet. Insert the hook to the chain next to the hook. Pull the yarn and make a 2 loop. And again pull the yarn into 2 loops. This is a single crochet. Next again insert the hook, pull the yarn from the chain and again pull the yarn into 2 loops. This is second single crochet. Again I am doing third single crochet. Insert the hook to the next chain and pull the yarn and again pull the yarn into 2 loops. This one is third single crochet. So I am going to make a same process. Hope you learned how to single crochet. See, this is a single crochet row. Now I am going to show you how to half double crochet. So keep the chain like that and hold the yarn over the hook and then skip first chain. Insert the hook into next chain. You have 3 loops. So pull the yarn into 3 loops. This is one half double crochet. And again yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into next chain. Pull the yarn and again pull the yarn into 3 loops. This is second half double crochet and again insert the hook into next chain, pull the yarn and again pull the yarn into 3 loops. Make the same process to make a half double crochet. See, this is a half double crochet row. Now I am going to show you how to double crochet. So keep the chain remaining and yarn over the hook. Skip 2 chain, insert the hook into next chain and pull the yarn. You have 3 loops. Pull the yarn into 2 loops only, and again you have 2 loops. Pull the yarn into remaining 2 loops. This is one double crochet, and again yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into next chain, pull the yarn, and again pull the yarn into 2 loops, and again pull the yarn into remaining 2 loops. This is second double crochet. Repeat the same process to make a double crochet. See, this is a double crochet row I did. So this is a double crochet row look like this, and this one is a half double crochet row, and this one is a single crochet row. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.